Draw and learn. Oh, look at this big truck. Where it is going. Do you like to color it? Hello, kids. Today we want to color in this big truck with each other. I'm using blue color for the windows. I'm sure you can color it very well. You're so great, kids. If you like our videos, please subscribe us. Purple color. I'm using purple color. Awesome! Keep going, kids! I love to coloring the truck so colorful. What about you, kids? Let's color the wheels now. Oh, we finished that with each other. Thank you, kids. You're so brave. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.